The truth about Robusta coffee beans. Robusta coffee beans are often thought of as being lower quality than Arabica beans, but this isn't always the case. In fact, Robusta coffee trees are more resistant to disease and pests, and they produce a higher yield of beans. The resulting coffee is also higher in caffeine than Arabica coffee. So why is Robusta coffee often seen as being of lower quality? It's largely due to the fact that Robusta beans are easier to grow and harvest, which makes them less expensive. And because they're less expensive, they're often used in blends or instant coffees. But there are some high-quality Robusta coffees out there, and they can make a delicious cup of coffee. If you're looking for a more robust flavor, or if you want a coffee with a higher caffeine content, then Robusta coffee might be right for you. Is Robusta coffee healthy? Robusta coffee is a type of coffee that is grown in Africa, Indonesia, and Vietnam. It is known for its high caffeine content and bitter taste. Robusta coffee beans are also lower in cost than Arabica beans, which makes them a popular choice for mass-produced coffees. While Robusta coffee may not be the most flavorful coffee on the market, it does have some health benefits. The high caffeine content can help to improve mental alertness and focus. In addition, Robusta coffee beans contain more chlorogenic acid than Arabica beans, which has antioxidant properties. However, Robusta coffee also contains more acrylamide than Arabica coffee, which is a carcinogen. As a result, it is important to moderate your intake of Robusta coffee if you are concerned about your health. What is so special about Robusta coffee? Robusta coffee is a type of coffee that is grown in the mountainous regions of Central and Southern Africa, as well as in Vietnam, Brazil, and Indonesia. Unlike its cousin, Arabica coffee, Robusta coffee beans are larger and have a slightly more elongated shape. They also contain more caffeine than Arabica beans, which is one of the reasons why Robusta coffee is often used in blends. In addition to its higher caffeine content, Robusta coffee also has a stronger flavor than Arabica coffee. Some coffee drinkers describe the taste of Robusta coffee as being bitter or woody. However, others find that Robusta coffee has a pleasantly earthy flavor with hints of chocolate. Because of its robust flavor, Robusta coffee is often used in espresso-based drinks. It is also a popular choice for iced coffees and cold brews. Whether you love it or hate it, there's no denying that Robusta coffee is definitely different from its Arabica counterpart. Is Robusta coffee stronger than regular coffee? Robusta coffee beans are known for their high caffeine content and strong flavor. While regular coffee is made from Arabica beans, which have a lower caffeine content and a sweeter taste, Robusta beans are often used in espresso and other strong coffee blends. In addition, Robusta beans are less expensive than Arabica beans, making them a popular choice for budget-conscious coffee drinkers. While Robusta coffee may not be to everyone's taste, its bold flavor and high caffeine content make it a popular choice for those who crave a strong cup of coffee. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel and share this video to a coffee lover friend.